Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. And today what I want to do is a couple of modifications to the sled. After using it for a while, I noticed there's a couple of things that need addressing. So we're going to take care of that today. So stick around. Okay, so what I noticed was that when I'm pulling the sled through the woods, if I happen to make a sharp turn, or there's ruts along the path made by skidoos and four-wheelers, what will happen is the sled will tend to tip over. So I took a look at the sled, and what I discovered was that the two skis that I created for it last winter are set kind of close together. So what I want to do is I want to take them off and move them further apart, and that should add to the stability. Okay, so to remove the skis, what I have to do is remove these 8 screws and then drill new holes on the other side of that ridge, there and there, so then I can screw the skis back on. Pick up all these pieces so I don't lose them. Put them in my pocket. Okay, so now we want to drill the extra holes. It's hard to do with gloves on, but it's minus 10 out here, so that's like 14 above, so I kind of have to do it with gloves on. So there. Now these skis are on the outside of this area. It'll make it more stable. Now the thing about these holes that were left over from before, when you drag this across the snow, they can actually pick up a fair amount of snow and it'll fill up they'll come through and fill up this area. Now this sled already fills up quite a bit with snow, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some red duct tape on the outside underneath, and that'll help prevent the snow from coming in. According to Red Green, you can fix everything with duct tape. Now I don't know how well this is going to stick, considering, no, it's not going to stick at all. It's actually too cold for the duct tape to stick. So what I'll have to do is wait for warmer weather, or bring this in the basement and do it there, something like that. Anyway, duct tape for a later day. Now the other thing I noticed is when I'm attaching bungee cords to hold down the load, the first one will catch onto the cord quite easily, but then when it's tight, it makes the other ones really hard to get to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of these. These are threaded carabiners. They're just the little tiny ones. I'm just going to put them in the places where I would normally attach the bungee cord. So these have a little threaded locking mechanism. Get this in front of the camera. So all I have to do is unscrew that, and then I can slip it right over the cord. There, so it's unscrewed, and then slip that over the cord, and then screw it back into place. Things are always harder to do with your fingers when they're cold. There, just like that. I've got 6 tie down points, so I've got 6 of these little carabiners. So there's one in the front, one at the back, and then 2 along each side. There, I was screwing that the wrong way. So once I get this done, it'll make it a whole lot easier for me to tie down loads onto the sled. And the sled will be more stable because it's got a wider wheelbase. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me today, and we'll catch you on the next video. This is Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.